wind is blowing really hard here today in western Oklahoma. The weatherman said 50 to 60 mile an hour gusts. I'm in my car now driving, hoping to show you how much dust is in the air. It is very dusty. It's not a good day to be out if you have any breathing issues, which I do. I have asthma, so this isn't the best weather for me. I should be just staying in, staying out of this dust, but I kind of wanted to get out, show you if I can get some good video of the dust in the air. It's kind of hard to see, but we'll head out this way once and you can kind of see it at the edge of town here. It is really, really dusty. I'm heading east out of Woodward, Oklahoma right now. And I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but the dust is just filling the sky up here to the east of where I'm at. Yeah, like I say, I don't know if it's showing up on the video, but it is really dusty out here. So hopefully you guys can see it on the camera. This is the back side of the fairgrounds by the ball diamonds. But this is all that big front that's going to affect Texas, eastern Texas, eastern Oklahoma, Missouri, Arkansas. They're all under pretty good weather. I think it even goes clear up into Illinois and Iowa. There's chances a good chance of tornadoes tonight. And so I just pray that everybody survives this outbreak. I mean, it's just kind of crazy the way the weather patterns are. And we can't buy a drop of rain here in Woodward. It's so dry and dusty. We're under a high wind warning and a red flag warning. Pray there's no fires out here, because the fire department would have their hands full here. But yeah, I just wanted to take you out and see if we can pick up some of the dust in the air. God bless you. Please like and subscribe. Hit that alarm notification bell. I definitely appreciate your support. I'm getting real close to my goal of 100 subscribers, and then I can set a new goal. I definitely appreciate all your support. Thank you for watching. God bless. Take care. Talk to you later. Just taking you on a ride along around Woodward, Oklahoma. I'm headed to Brahms right now. They got a sale on their milk, 2 gallons for $6. So I'm going to go get me a couple gallons of milk. That's a pretty good buy considering Walmart's milk is $3.50 a gallon, and Brahms has so much better milk. But just taking you around here, we're going down Oklahoma Avenue. If anybody's interested in purchasing a nice building here in Woodward, Oklahoma to start a business with, our old church on the right up here, I'll show you when we go by, is for sale. And it's an excellent building, nice commercial building. It's definitely for sale. We moved into a different church, but so yeah, if you're interested in a building, this is a good one to get right here. But yeah, I just want to take you on a little cruise of Woodward, Oklahoma. It's a nice little community. I enjoy it here. It's got a population of around 12 to 13,000. I'm not exactly sure, but it's a pretty nice little community. It's pretty quiet. Not a lot to do, but there's quite a bit you can do. So yeah, just wanted to take you along for a ride. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that alarm notification. I definitely appreciate all your support. God bless you. Talk to you later. Bye.